Yeah, also guys, so let's take a quick look at gold and see what the future holds for gold in coming days. All right. So first of all, if you take a look at the daily time frame, we see that we are actually in a consolidation phase. Now, for some time now, you see that gold has not really had this, one way move or normally see, because we are kind of consolidating. Now, I'm currently in a short trade actually targeting this level over here because I believe, looking at the 4 hour time frame, I believe that what we are going to see with gold, maybe from next week, so might break out of this consolidation, considering the fact that this is a very very strong trend line over here, and the only time we'll break this trend line is if maybe the month of June decides to be bearish for gold. Then that was when we see gold falling all the way down. Then how far can we go? I think we might go down to 3K, but this I don't see it happening because the sentiments and global geopolitical events still happening still supports the uptrend of gold. So this key bullish trend line will keep holding gold. All right. So, and if you take a look at this whole structure over here, you see that the actual market structure that we're currently running, or that's currently running the market, is this one over here, which is this high, this low, and this high as well. So this over here is just consolidation. So that being said, in the meantime, what I expect gold to do is to continue to um, consolidate a little bit, all right, just inside this particular like call this symmetric triangle. Although somehow if you look at it, the 4 hour time frame, it seems like a channel. All right, this seems, as you can see over here, this seems like a channel over here. All right, if you put a trend line over here, as you can see, this seems like a channel. So basically what I'm looking at is a breakout of this channel. But I don't think we're just going to push and break. I think we're going to go down before we break above that channel because of this rejection over here. Though we did take a couple of trades in our private community. I think around we took a buy around this area. It took us as that was, I think, the first trade in the month of May. Then second one we took, we closed it somewhere around this area. We didn't take this sell. We just waited for the price to retrace and give us another buy. Then we took a buy over here, which we ran to this area. I think I have some. So this was the buy over here. Though we're expecting that trend line, which is this particular trend line, this red one over here, to break, then continue. But we did not break. So I immediately this was when the trade was still going. We already moved our stop loss to this level. Then immediately we saw this particular break of trend line over here. 4 hour trend line is something you don't mess with or you don't joke with when it comes to trading gold. So we got out of this trade around this area. Then we're currently waiting for price to give us a consolidation and maybe give us a setup over here because the system I use in trading, breakouts of trend line is just like a secondary confirmation. It's not that I don't trade using trend line as entry. All right, I can use it as exit, but I don't use it as entry. I basically go down to lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, and look for a setup. So basically, right now I'm in a sell position, believing gold is going to come down to this level. All right, then give a setup to go higher. So basically, if you are trading gold, you should keep anticipating. If you are a swing trader or you are biased, kind of you're looking for a clear bias to use on gold, it is still bullish on the longer time frame or on the long run. All right, so that's for gold. Let's see how it goes. So guys, if you go trader, trade gold and BTC specifically. This channel is specifically for gold and BTC trading. So you are welcome to subscribe and more analysis dropping on this channel. All right, take care, guys, and have a lovely, lovely weekend ahead.